Imagine holding the future in the palm of your hand, only to realize that the palm of your hand isn't big enough anymore. For over a decade, we've been told that smartphones have peaked, that the slab of glass in your pocket is as good as it gets. But while we were settling for incremental updates and slightly better cameras, a silent war was being waged in the R&D labs of Suwon, South Korea. Samsung wasn't just trying to make a better phone. They were trying to delete the line between your phone, your tablet, and your laptop. And now, the result of that obsession is finally here. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. This isn't just another foldable. We've seen those. We've seen the flips and the folds. But the Trifold is a different beast entirely. It's a structural marvel that defies everything we thought we knew about hardware durability and screen technology. Why is the tech world in a state of absolute shock? Because Samsung just did what everyone said was impossible. They built a device that folds twice, stays thinner than a notebook, and packs the power of a workstation. In the next few minutes, we are going to peel back the layers of this engineering masterpiece, from the secretive armor flex hinge to the 200-megapixel eyes that see the world better than you do. If you think you've seen innovation, you haven't seen anything yet. Let's start with the moment you first see it. At first glance, it looks like a standard premium smartphone, a 6.5-inch cover display that is bright, sharp, and perfectly usable with one hand. But then you perform the unfolding ritual. One flip, and you have a screen that rivals the biggest foldables on the market. But you don't stop there. You flip it again. And suddenly, in a move that feels like a magic trick, you are holding a 10-inch canvas. This is a massive, seamless QXGA plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's not just a big screen, it's a portal. But how does it not snap? That is the question keeping competitors awake at night. Samsung's new Armor Flex hinge is the unsung hero here. They've engineered a dual-rail spiral structure that allows the screen to curve in a way that minimizes stress on the pixels. They've tested this over 200,000 times. That's folding and unfolding it 100 times a day for 5 years straight. And yet, when it's fully open, the crease is virtually invisible. It's a feat of materials science, using glass ceramic and reinforced polymers to create a surface that feels like glass but flexes like paper. Now let's talk about the raw, unbridled power under the hood. To drive a 10-inch 120Hz display while managing 3 different screen states, you need a brain that doesn't just work, it dominates. The Galaxy Z Trifold is powered by a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy. This isn't just a chip, it's a 3-nanometer monster. It's designed to handle what Samsung calls hyper-multitasking. Imagine running a 4K video edit on one pane, a live Zoom call on the second, and your research notes on the third, all without a single frame drop. This is the first time a mobile device has actually felt like a replacement for a professional tablet. But power without vision is useless. The camera system on the Trifold is borrowed from the gods of photography. We are talking about a 200-megapixel main sensor. This sensor doesn't just take photos, it captures data. With its quad-pixel autofocus and enhanced OIS, you can take a photo in a pitch-black room, and it will look like it was shot under studio lights. And for the storytellers,